Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no sound on Google Chrome. The first thing you will need to do is go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on the three dots right beside your profile pic in the upper right hand corner, and from the drop down menu you're going to tap on Settings. Next, you're going to go over to the left hand corner and you're going to tap on Privacy and Security, and from here you're going to scroll down. Then you're going to tap on Site Settings, and from here you're going to scroll down even further and you want to tap on Additional Content Settings, and then you're going to see Sound. Sites can play sound. You're going to tap on that, and from here you want to ensure that this is enabled, as you can see right here. And also, if you saw right in this section not allowed to play sound, if you saw any sites, for example YouTube or TikTok or any one of your websites was in this section, you're going to tap on Remove to remove it, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.